Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Tutor. In this video, we'll show you how to recover deleted photos from Google Files Safe folder. Let's dive in. Open the Photos or Gallery app on your phone. Check the trash bin in Google Photos. You have 30 days to recover deleted items. Select the photo or video you want to restore. Tap Restore if it's there. If the photo was not backed up, try a recovery app from the Play Store. Download a trusted app like DiskDigger Photo Recovery, Tenorshare ULT Data, Dr.Fone Data Recovery. Open the app and grant storage permissions. Start a basic scan to look for recently deleted photos. Select the photos you want to recover and save them back to your phone. Note, these apps work better if used immediately after deletion and on rooted devices for deep scans. Recovering deleted photos from the safe folder is tricky and may not always be possible, but checking backups and using recovery tools right away gives you the best chance. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.